Hi Aries, welcome to your monthly reading, and this is for the month of July 2020. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, may I request you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you like to receive such videos. Also, please remember that this is a general reading, and the roles can be reversed and the timing is fluid. So let's move along and see what's coming up for the sign of Aries in the month of July 2020. And I'm really excited to do this reading right now. So I have a Two of Swords, I have the Empress, I have the card of the Strength. We already have two major arcanas. Wow. And we have Four of Pentacles. Nice. There's a Six of Swords. And there's a King of Wands. Just give me just a minute. Aries, I feel that your confusions with regard to a lot of things around life, or maybe something major that you've been thinking about, is going to come to an end in the month of July. And if you've been worried about money or maybe finances, you don't have to. You don't have to, people. I have the card of the Four of Pentacles, and this is talking to me and saying that things are going to work out just well. Maybe there was an investment planned well ahead of time, and that's going to pay off, or something that you've been working at, or whatever you are working with and for. If you, whether you're employed or in business, things are going to look good for you. I'm also being guided to tell you not to get too emotional around the idea of money or something to do with the materialistic world in the month of July. You could be feeling very, very emotional, and emotional in the sense you may not be talking to people about your sensitive ideas or how you're feeling inside, but at the very core, you could be very, very tender at this moment. I am also seeing a lot of fertile ideas just waiting to burst out of you, Aries. What are you doing? Why haven't you come out with them until now? And I also feel that some of you ladies who were recently married or have been planning, there are very good chances for you to conceive in the month of July, especially in the third and the second and the third weeks. I also feel that some of you could be making that much desired move, and maybe mentally from that space that has kept you held up or tied inside, or maybe you have been wanting to make a change or a movement, and that's happening in the month of July. It's got more to do with breaking the shackles and breaking the old ideologies in the month of July. Something that you believed or identified yourself with, it's got to go out of the window, and that's happening so strongly in this month. I have an Eight of Cups supporting my Six of Swords, and very strongly I can validate every word I say here. You are meant to go away from everything and walk away from everything that you thought you were, or that you thought maybe is the very basis or foundation of your life. You're going to go forward in your thinking, Aries, and I'm not kidding when I say that this is like a big leap. We all are making changes at different levels, but for you it's got to do with something you never thought you might be walking away from, and this walking away is serving you well. It's serving you really good. So I see some new opportunities. Wonderful. Could it get any more specific than this? Just pulled out the card of death for you as I speak about this. So this is definitely the end to an old era, or maybe an old thought process, or maybe something so strongly that you thought is a part of your life, and you never thought you could live away from that. But you are going to learn so much about yourself in this new month, brand new month of July. And it's definitely got to do with a lot of transformations in different aspects of life, something you never thought you were going to do. It's not going to be an easy ride. Like I said, when we're trying to step out of the comfort zone, we are always uncertain and insecure, and that's because we don't know what lies ahead. So even if I am a psychic and I have to do something new, if I want to do something, if I have to step into a new territory, I am going to want to use all my knowledge, maybe everything I know so far, and see if it's actually all right to go there, to be there in this new region. So that is exactly what you guys are going through right now, and I am going to tell you, you're going to rock it. There is King of Wands here, and you're going to be absolutely fine. It's just the first few steps. Just lift your leg and take that step. And if it's something that has been bothering you, ask yourself twice or thrice. Maybe write it on a piece of paper, a clean sheet of paper, put it under your pillow, slide it under the pillow, and sleep over it. And maybe in your dreams, or like a very quick thought, you will get your answer. So I've just given you a method that can help you with a lot of things in life, Aries. So why remain uncertain? I'm going to pull out some cards from the Angels deck for you. I'm feeling really, really positive as I speak about your sign, and I'm seeing some amazing, major, big, fated changes coming into your life, Aries. But you've got to take that first few steps. Yes, universe is on your side for sure. All right. So let's see what your angel cards are saying about you. All right, angels, please tell me what is coming up for the sign of Aries in the month of July 2020. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. I'll show you just a minute. First, I have the card of crystal clear intentions. Can you see? I love these illustrations. So beautiful. It says, Archangel Michael, be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. And I've been talking about everything you want, or something that you want to go ahead with, but you're not sure that you should. You need to do that. Take this opportunity in the month of July. The second angel card tells you overcoming difficulties. Aries. It's like the angels have been speaking through me throughout this session. And Archangel Jeremiel says, the worst is now behind you, and you are surmounting any previous challenges. Like I told you, it's in that moment when we are going through the problem that we're unable to see a clear destination for ourselves, or a clear solution. But we have come quite far from there. And in this new world, Aries, you have to take your chances, because there is nothing to go back to. There is really nothing to go back to. And going forward is the only way you can. Compassion. Can you see? Archangel Zadkiel says, soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. You've got to go a little easy on yourself, Aries. You may be a hard taskmaster sometimes, being really, really, very dynamic and hot-tempered in some situations. But here, you've got to soften your approach with yourself and those around you. Remember, these big changes are happening to your sign as well as many other signs. So if you feel this way, understand those around you belonging to other signs are not having it easy either. So we are all actually a balm for each other's nerves in this moment in time. And I hope you get what I'm trying to say, Aries. So that's it from me for now, you beautiful people, and do keep watching this space, my channel. I'm going to come up with your fortnightly reading for the month of July from the 1st to the 15th. And but before that, we have the lunar eclipse on 5th of July. So I'm going to be coming up and talking about each of the 12 zodiac signs. Make sure you catch that. And if you haven't subscribed already, Please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you can receive regular updates from me and stay notified. So bye bye. Do comment and let me know how these energies are playing with you, Aries. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. So until we meet again, bye bye. See you.